Wait, my soul. Honorable Richard Nyagaka Tong'i, on my own behalf and on behalf of my family, on behalf of the people of Kisii County, Church had a special space in our hearts. I had a rare opportunity of receiving the news of his death when I was training with Papa at the gym, and I saw how painful it was for Papa to cope with that. He has lost, we have all lost, and I want to thank God for the days of George, and he had a true friend in Papa. May God rest his soul in eternal peace. Asanteni sana.
My name is Martin Peters Owino Woodchief, Member of Parliament for Ndewa, and also a very, very close family to the widow. Mama, when the casket is on your side, it's very difficult even to have what to say. What I can tell you is that may God give you strength and courage to go through this difficult time. We will be together and we are praying for you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, church. My name is Irene Mayaka. I am a nominated member of parliament from the ODM party, and I'd just like to express my most sincere condolences both to the family of George, our brother, and to Baba's family on behalf of myself, the people of Nyamira County, and all the young people of our ODM party. And just like to say that we learned a lot from George. George was the epitome of loyalty, he was the epitome of calmness, and he was a big brother to most of us. So to the family, poleni sana, and we do pray that the legacy of our brother lives beyond all of us. Thank you.